The next question says, what will be the result of adding 52 gram of ice to 100 gram of water at 40 degrees Celsius? Now the option which is given over there is 100 gram of water and 52 gram of ice, 150 gram of water and 2 gram of ice, 2 gram of water and 150 gram of ice, 52 gram of water and 100 gram of ice. Now one thing is very much clear, that when ice and water are mixed, the ice can melt but water cannot freeze. The simple reason for that is the surrounding temperature will not let that happen. So I can say the water can freeze only in a refrigerator and water can boil only in a machine which can heat it up, which can provide heat. So please remember, when two states are mixed, the solid will get converted to liquid. That is in case of water, ice will get converted to water, but water will not get converted to ice. So amount of water will never decrease. So I can never have answer less than 100 gram of water, which means the only option which is possible over here is 150 gram of water and 2 gram of ice. Now that was a shortcut. Now to simplifyly solve this, I can say some amount of ice is going to melt and it will get converted to water, and the water from 40 degrees Celsius will come to 0 degrees Celsius to provide that amount of heat. So I can say heat given by water is equal to heat taken by ice. This is nothing but the principle of calorimetry. Now water, as I said, will not convert into ice. So for water, it is going to be mass of water, specific heat of water into change in temperature of water. But as we know, ice temperature has not been mentioned, so we can assume it to be 0 degrees Celsius. 0 degrees Celsius ice, after receiving heat, will melt. Now we exactly do not have an idea what amount of ice will melt. So let's assume the mass of ice as unknown and latent heat of fusion as the heat required to melt 1 gram of ice. So mass of water given is 100 gram. Specific heat of water we know is 1 calorie per gram degree Celsius. And the change in temperature is from 40 to 0, so that is 40 degree Celsius. Mass of ice, as I said, is unknown. We do not know how much amount of ice will melt. And latent heat of fusion, as a matter of fact, we know it's 80 calorie per gram. Now if I try to balance the units, this gram will get cancelled, the degree Celsius will get cancelled, the calorie over here will get cancelled. So what is left over here is the gram in the denominator, which will go on the other side, becomes gram in the numerator. Now definitely 40 into 2 is 80 and 100 upon 2 is 50. So mass of ice which is going to melt is 50 gram. Now if 50 gram of ice melts, obviously it adds up into the water. So the new mass of water is the original mass of water plus the mass of ice melted, which is 100 plus 50. That's 150 gram of water. And the new mass of ice is going to be the old mass of ice, which was 52, minus the amount which was melted, which is 50. So the new mass of ice is going to be 2 gram. So we have 2 gram of ice and 150 gram of water. That is your final answer.